Welcome back to RC Camping and Crawling. I just want to give a bit of an update video on the scrap or spare parts build. I found something kind of exciting. So I wasn't really happy with the way the back of this was looking. It had this kind of frame back here. So I took it off and I'm already much happier with the general look. It just seems a lot cleaner. But what I was going to show you and what I'm kind of excited about was I have one of those Traxxas trailers that I've been working on and kind of taking parts off of and playing with, but I had that kicking around, and on it you get these wood siding. Now you have to paint the wood siding. I just took a watercolor paint and just lightly painted it, and it turned out really good. But what I was excited about and what I wanted to share was with this, these are actually the exact same size as this. Front to back, it lines up perfectly. So what my plan is here is I'm going to trim off just this piece right here. Take that one screw off there. Trim this off. And this should fit perfectly. So I'm going to do that now. Take it off. Hope what I can do without taking the body off. You do need to take the body off to get those screws out. So 4 screws on the inside, you can get the body off, plus these 2 in the very bottom. So don't waste your time trying to do it without it. You'll just end up scratching the body. So later, just cut that there. See, I think even looking at it from here, it looks a lot better. Okay, I'll add on the backs now, which should go like this. I'm hoping. So there it is, there's one side done. Work another one. So here it is, with the 2 box sides on. Simple install, I think they look pretty good. I would probably shuffle them. I don't really know, if you shuffle them more farther forward, you might hit there. I think they look pretty good though. I think this is a much better look. And what's nice about them is you can actually install TRX4 accessories onto them. So I'm going to do that now. Alright guys, here it is all put together. What do you think? I think it looks great. Fun little project. Nice addition. I did mount these TRX4M jerry cans to it. You can just buy these as an accessory from Traxxas or your local hobby shop. I just screwed those in and glued them. I'm not sure if that's where you'd actually put jerry cans in a truck like this, but you know, it looks cool. So for the jerry can police for RC cars, let me know. On the back, the other side, I mounted the jackal with a little screw there, and then another jerry can. So all in all, I think the look is a lot better. It looks a lot more scale, because the front of this truck really does look quite scale, but the back looked a little bit like a toy. So this is looking better. Definitely happy with it. Still not sure what I'm going to do with the box inside the truck back here, but I'll figure it out for another video. So for now, thanks again for watching, and hope that gives you some inspiration to try it out yourself. Cheers.